Hello guys, I'm back again with another same strategy, different setup. Okay, same entry technique. So please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so this is our VIX 75 trade, VIX 25 index trade, and it's actually running right now. So I've given it to my VIP members. Don't hesitate to follow us on the Telegram channel. We'll provide premium signals like this. So right here, okay, you have a liquidity sweep, okay, which is the first rule of this strategy, and I've already done the whole of that in a video. So the second rule is actually a break of structure. So you can actually see that we have structures here that have been broken to the upside. So we have a break of this structure, okay. We have a break of this structure because this was an internal or higher low, okay, internal lower, higher low, yeah, higher low. So since this was an internal low, the market has actually swept it to the upside. So we have our break of structure. So the next rule is actually the market actually pulling back to create liquidity that will be swept later. So we have this area, okay. So the next rule is as we have like 5 rules for this strategy. We have the rule 1, sweep of liquidity, break of structure to the upside, pull back to create liquidity that will be swept later. So which is the rule 3. So and here we have our POI, our point of interest. Okay, we have our POI. So these are point of interest. What happened? The market actually traded to a point of interest, kissed it, and it's heading all the way up right now. And then the 4th rule is another break of structure, which means we must have like 2 breaks of structure. There must be 2 structural breaks, okay. There must be 2 structural breaks. So we have another break of structure here to the upside, okay. So and this break of structure, another thing that actually gave me confidence is that break of structure actually led to the sweep of all these other areas here, all the structural highs, okay, to create a new high. So the 5th rule is actually the market coming back to this area and then pushing all the way back up, okay, pushing all the way back up. So at that point we took our entries, all right. So and then if I redefine this area to where my order block is, you can see that this area right here, okay, this area right here where we have this candle, that's our order block, okay. So you see how the market has actually traded into it before pushing to the upside. Now the market came back to it again and is actually respecting it to the upside. So let's see how this trade is going to play, all right. So let's see how this trade is going to play. So you see there were 0 drawdowns on this trade, so really massive. So I'll update you guys a few hours later, okay.
So guys, as you can see, this is the setup actually failed, all right. So as soon as we saw this candle here, all right, so that was showing lack of momentum, and then we closed, okay. We closed out of this trade, all right. So right here we have another setup and we're already in profit, all right. So this is the VIX 25 1 seconds, all right. So now let me break this trade down for you, okay, so that you can actually learn. So right here we have our liquidity sweep, okay, to then the market swept the liquidity to the upside, could not keep going to the upside and started coming down back. All right, since the market was actually coming down back, what happens at this point? We have our liquidity sweep, then we have our structural liquidity, which is here, okay. So you can clearly see that the moment the market traded to that structural liquidity, started dropping. And then we also have our protected high, which is this, okay. So this is everything you need to know. I teach this strategy. It is super sweet, super simple, guys. So you see we have an engulfing candle here, all right, at our POI. That space in between there is our POI, our point of interest. So we entered our trades and we are going to ride this trade all the way down to here, okay. Here is our target, because that's the rule of this strategy, okay. That's the rule of this strategy. It's a very simple strategy, guys. So we use it to flip accounts, we use it to build account, guys. So you see 0 drawdown, and we are eating massively, fam. We are eating massively. So you can clearly see that this trade is running. It's running in good profit, guys. We have stacks of 0.005, 0.005, and it's actually running. So usually the stop loss is not far. You keep the stop losses where that arrow is. That's where the stop loss should be, right? So that you don't blow your account, guys. You don't blow your account. So that's that, guys. I'll update you guys soon, okay? Based on how the trade progresses, okay? All right, guys. Right now, guys. So you see, we just added some more entries on the pullback, okay? Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, the market pulled back to some form of resistance level, and we added some more sales, okay? So right now, let's see what is actually going to happen, okay? Let's see what's actually going to happen. This trade actually looks so promising, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. Already see what is actually running, fam. Yo, my people, look at this now. Look at this. All right, we had our first entry somewhere there. We had a second set of entry. Now we had a pullback, okay? We decided to use the opportunity to capitalize on this because we know that what is going to happen. We know that the price is all going to go down to this area. Okay, price is actually going to go down to this area. Now let's look at the running profit. Let me blow your mind, guys. Let me blow your mind again. So you see this. I'm the only person that can do this, guys. Why? Because of this strategy is just based on pure price action, guys. Pure price action, guys. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow us on the Telegram channel, guys. I'm telling you, this strategy works 99% of the time. All right, because guys, you flip your account, guys, without drawdown, without anything. So now let's look at the failed trade on the VIX 25 index. Okay. The trade failed, yeah, but what happened? The stop loss is very, very tight, guys. See, the stop loss is very, very tight because there we have our entry, the stop loss here. All right. Now look at the reward. The reward was, where was the target? Here. Can you see that? So price actually went to this point and then came and take us out. We took the loss like kings, man. We are not children. Now look at this now. Look at this. See how fast the market is actually dropping, guys. So why won't you want to learn this strategy, fam? Why won't you want to learn this strategy? So I'll update you guys as the trade keep progressing, guys. So this is actually massive, guys. Massive. So guys, as you can see now, this is another trade which I just took. And I just took it not quite long ago. Okay. So this is it. We have this break here. We have this break. Okay. We have this break. We have this liquidity sweep. Sorry, let me call it rightly. Liquidity sweep. Okay, so we call this a liquidity sweep because the market could not, at this point, the market was supposed to keep going to the upside. But rather, what happened? After taking out the people who sold through this area, what happened? The market went up and then failed to actually continue going to the upside. Okay, so normally, why I consider this to be a sweep is because there are a lot of traders here who would actually want to trade this as a break and retest trade. Okay, break and retest. But the market has actually evolved more than all of this. Okay, so that is what we refer to as a liquidity sweep. All right. So and again here we have our protected high. After the liquidity sweep, we have a protected high. That high must not be taken out. It must not be tampered with. But most times the market will actually go there and then break through it and then take you out, and then before it starts selling. So but I will teach you guys how to actually go maneuver all throughout all those things, fam. I'll teach you guys how to maneuver through all those things. So you see the stop loss with a 0.03. Yeah, you are actually risking a $21. Okay, so to actually make 156 for TP1 and then to make 360 for TP2. So see the risk to reward ratio is actually enormous. You know, you're risking the $20 to make 150. What's the risk to reward ratio there? So you can actually do the maths. These guys are actually disturbing. You know, I think I just have to place that group on mute. So here, here we refer to these as a liquidity sweep. Okay, so what happened? You see how the market came, pushed that area through, took all the stop losses there, and then now it's selling. So that part is broken, is corrected, and then So and then we have our protected high, we have our liquidity, we have our liquidity sweep, which is this. We have structural liquidity, all right, and then we also have our protected high. Okay, so here is our POI, a point of interest, okay, where we want to like enter the market. Okay, but you can also redefine the point of interest to be around an order block area, all those kind of stuff, you know, all those kind of areas. So let me go ahead and delete this. So now you come to your smaller time frame, the 5 minutes time frame. You're looking for reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, let's say you entered here first, the market came, took you out, all right, because you don't actually need a break even for this strategy. You are risking a $10, $20, all right, because you want to actually make the most of it, all right, because you don't assume or anticipate for a drawdown. That's how the strategy is. So you entered here after the close of this candle. You see that's an inverted, in a bearish candle. You enter after the close of that candle. Let's say you enter somewhere, let me just pick this, you enter somewhere here after the close of that candle. You see the market went all the way to here. See, the market went all the way, market went from there all the way to here before actually coming back to push that same area. All right, so you get stopped out, you enter again, you don't hesitate. Okay, so here we have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern where the bullish candle is smaller and is while the bearish candle is ×2. So you see, you enter, no drawdown, guys. We're actually heading for a target. So that's the strategy, guys. Let me just upload the video here. I think the leftover, I will update you guys on the next video. Okay, so see you guys, stay blessed, fam, stay blessed. So this strategy works, is what is actually working for this VIX market now, is what is working. If you're trading price action, you're actually doomed for failure. Okay, you're doomed for failure. If you're trading break and retest, all those things, you're doomed for failure, right? You're doomed for failure. See this, I shared this with my VIP. I don't want to actually share the screen for this. I've already shown you guys my running trades on the other ones. So don't hesitate to follow me on the Telegram channel. Let me show you guys this magic. All right, if you want to learn, this is actually a strategy to flip your account, guys. I'm telling you.